weeks ago, I decided to go on a week-long trip to Chengdu and the outskirts of China, and I vlogged the whole entire thing. We're starting off in Chengdu. Hope you enjoy! Hey guys, so after around 4 hours, I just landed in Chengdu, China. I am so excited to try all the food and show you guys around the city and all the places that we've been planning to visit. We made it to our hotel and it looks so freaking good. I'm in love. Okay guys, I did a little outfit change. Changed into this hoodie. I think my mom got it for me. And it looks so good on me. And now I'm gonna head out and explore the city. I'm having this like street food thing and it tastes really good, and I also love like how people here don't actually care what I'm saying right now, probably because like they don't understand what I'm saying. I'm loving this kind of energy and like the vibes here. It's actually not very cold, but it's like chilly enough to have like a jacket around me, and honestly the sun is out and it feels pretty warm.
You know what? Not even God can stop me. I like it.
位置也找不到。
你几点钟去的嘛
12点。
12点肯定，我们7点半就要去。
啊？为了去那边喝茶？
哎，喝早茶的嘛，对吧？你们广东人就是喝早茶嘛。
喝早茶不是在公园啊？
对对对。What the dog doing?
黑我睇到咩？Starting off strong with these two very spicy noodles, I can actually feel my butthole burn at the end of the day, but honestly, I will do it again because it hits every spot. Too bad I forgot what they are called, so please do comment down below what their names are. Now it's time for a change of scenery. A lady came up to me and asked for directions, and I answered her 我是外国人 in the most Chinese way possible. Yup, she side-eyed me and walked away. Well, hopping onto the train wasn't hard at all. Until the staff decided to shout at us for crossing the yellow line, and surprisingly, people don't know how to line up. Like the we are currently going to that place which is called and we're gonna stay around the area for like 4 nights, and then we're going back to Chengdu, back to KL.
海水那边走，这样的话时间不是太赶。砍木材的话，它就破坏那个生态平衡。那是，也许是你们口味不一样，但是也以你们的口味问题不大。
Oh my gosh, that's it. So we're at another destination. It's so freaking cold, so cold. My hands are freezing when I'm. They sell instant noodles here. Look at these. Instant noodles inside the fridge. Currently walking up the stairs. Up there. It's pretty far. How are you feeling?
Very tired.
Very tired. Oh, same girl, same.
这个有苔藓嘛，它经过很长时间。
I see ice. I hope it's not too dirty to touch it. Just let me touch it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Whoa, it's actual ice. This is for the male viewers. You know what? I feel like there must be a fairy living here. It feels like a fairyland. Like whatever creatures like you guys see in fairy tale storybooks. Everything here just feels so surreal. The way that I got it. Wait, I'm panting so much because of all of the stairs. On the way coming to here, I saw so many of those like wild goats, cows, horses, and I literally felt like I went back to those Chinese textbooks, like you read those 诗歌, those poems, or even like old Chinese movies. Plus I'm freezing my hands out filming this, but whatever. Look at the water here. It's literally so clear. I can literally see all the things inside the water. 那是什么？这个？那是什么？
清蒸五花肉、腊肉。
腊肉。
马来西亚，
你在做功课啊？
过去啊，跟他一起来吃就好。
你今天有上课吗？
马来西亚怎么这个国语讲的比较的难？
有上课的，但是没有功课。
再去写作业。
真的程序哪里？我们拼桌了，拼桌拼一个。
真的吗
让你少收拾一下。
？Oh my gosh, this is so random.
建筑海峡，建筑海
We're at a breakfast place, and I just finished breakfast. Look at the mountain view behind
这
me.
里看到坐车开到这里，
It's so awesome.
看了最后你坐到这里了。And then we got bao. And I don't know what's that.
爸爸煮给你吃啊。
下石江。
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck, guys? You don't believe how much I walked today just to see that cup of water at mountains.
哇，这一餐我看到都喜欢了。我们还以为有红红的。
Always up and down. Fingers floating back, spinning round and round, changing my mind. How it's supposed to be. Come on, it comes with clean. It's simple. It's like biting an apple. Sexy mama, you know better. 거기 서지 말고 얼른 나와. 여드르지만 in my story light, so no. And don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes? Yeah, don't you know how sweet it tastes? How sweet it tastes? Yeah, don't you know how sweet it tastes? Now that I'm without you, 나 더는 묻지 않을래. How sweet it tastes? 알려주지 않아도 돼. How sweet it tastes?
这个是烤肠，
烤肠嘛，就那个。
I am so dead.
What about?
我等一下拿新的。